Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to reduce PDF file size without losing quality. To reduce PDF file size without losing quality, go to File Explorer and this is the PDF file. I want to reduce the file size. Just right click the PDF file and click on Properties, and look, the PDF file size is 15.6 MB. I'm going to reduce this PDF file size without losing the quality. Now I'm going to open my PDF file. This is my PDF file and I will reduce this file size without losing the quality. Okay, now close the PDF and close File Explorer. Now go to Google Chrome browser and in search type compress PDF. Type compress PDF and then click on hit enter. Here you will find I love PDF, compress PDF online, same PDF quality, less file size. Just click on it and under compress PDF file you will find a button select PDF file. Click on it and select the PDF file and then click on open, and here you will find three options: extreme compression, less quality and high compression, and recommended compression is good quality and good compression, and another one is less compression, high quality and less compression. I am selecting recommended compression, good quality and good compression, and then click on compress PDF. Compression is going on, and look, the file size was 15.64 MB and now it became 6.51 MB and nearly 60% smaller. And now click on download compressed PDF. The PDF has been downloaded. Click to show in folder. This is the compressed file and file size is 6.671 MB. Right click on the file, go to properties and look, 6.51 MB the file size is. Now I am going to check the file. Right click on it and click on open, and look, the quality is as it is. The PDF quality is not reduced, but file size is reduced. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.